So guys, next question is give note on global warming, causes and consequences and measurement. See, this is the expected questions. So how we are going to deal with these questions? First things, we will go with the IBC formula. It is introduction, body and conclusion. So under introduction we can write global warming. Global means earth, warming means heat. So here we can draw one flow diagram that is already you can see. The combustion of fuel or respiration lead to the production of methane and carbon dioxide, which is the greenhouse gases, lead to the production of greenhouse effect, and that is the lead to the consequence of the global warming. Here, for the sake of information and ideality, you can write, you can give the diagram. For example, sun is there, earth is there, from infrared radiation which is responsible for heating, which is a long wave radiation is coming. Earth absorbs almost 86% radiations. Remaining radiation it reflect back, and there is a greenhouse layer, greenhouse gas layer surrounding the Earth, which ultimately trap that radiations. If the concentration of greenhouse gases get increased, ultimately it send more radiation back to the Earth, and consequence of this will be increasing mean temperature of the Earth. This is called the global warming. So under definitions or introduction, you can write global warming defined as the increase in average temperature of the earth. Okay, so under body of the answer you can write causes. What will be the causes? First is the greenhouse gases trap heat energy reflected by the earth surface. Temperature increases lead to the increase in temperature of the earth, and which is the leading to the global warming. So this can be the first cause, the increasing net concentration of greenhouse gases due to the anthropological or natural activity. Okay, so second cause can be deforestation. So what is the deforestation? Deforestation is the tree root transpiration, which is essential for the cooling effect. Also use sun heat energy to for photosynthesis. So इससे भी net heat use हो जाती है, and when you go for the deforestation ultimately the net heat जो होती है बजट बच जाता है और इसकी वजह से global warming हो जाती है. So under third reason you can give the industrial gas like chlorofluorocarbon from power plant is also responsible for global warming. Then fossil fuel burning, coal, petroleum, these are the causes. Next, gases responsible for global warming. Which are the gases? You can write it. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, hydrofluorocarbon. These are the responsible for increasing net heat budget of the earth. So under body itself, now you are going to write about the effect. Okay, so what will be its effect? Effect भी आपको body में देने, answer के body में देने हैं. So what will be effect? Effect will be global warming, that is the climatic change, lead to the drought, flooding in the region, then ecosystem disturbance. Its component will be malfunctional. ecosystem जो होती है उसके component repeat हो जाएंगे और malfunction हो जाएगी. Agriculture pattern disturb हो जाएगा. Melting of glacier, life of the polar region will be disturbed. Then various diseases in the human skin like cancer, breathing problem can be occurs. So ये सारी चीजें हम इफेक्ट में डाल सकते हैं. See, we already having the less time. So in that less time we have to cover our answer. So this effect should you should write fastly. Then we are supposed to give remedies for this. What is the remedies? How to reduce the effect of global warming? So remedies first will be the reforestation, as it is essential for the increasing the maximum utilization of carbon dioxide. Then less use of fossil fuel, minimal use of vehicles and petrols. Then encourage the application of Bharat Stage 6, use catalytic converters and precipitators and scrubber in industry, and committed to Kyoto protocols. Such way you can write our answer in a nice way. And again you can write here utilization of 3R formula, that is the reduce, reuse and recycling of the waste. Like this, some patterns is fixed in ecosystem to answer these questions. So in this way you can tackle this question.